Welcome to Tricky Apps. Simple and decimal fraction. Now, I am going to explain key points and important formulae from the chapter Simple and Decimal Fractions. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Types of simple fractions. Proper fraction. When the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator, then the fraction is called a proper fraction. For example, 3 by 7, 12 by 17, 22 by 53, etc. Here, the numerators are less than their denominators. Inverse fraction. If we inverse the numerator and the denominator of a fraction, then the resultant fraction will be the inverse fraction of the original fraction. For example, the given fraction is 12 by 17. The inverse fraction of the given fraction is 17 by 12. Pure recurring decimal fraction. When all the digits in a decimal fraction are repeated after the decimal point, then the decimal fraction is called as pure recurring decimal fraction. For example, 0.3 bar or 0.589 bar, etc. Here, a line is drawn above 3 and 589 to represent repeated digits. To convert pure recurring decimal fraction to simple fraction, repeated digits will be written once in numerator and place as many 9s in the denominator as the number of digits repeating. For example, 0.3 bar is equal to 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Here in 0.3, as there is a line drawn on 3 is a repeated digit. Therefore, 3 can be written once in numerator and placing a 9 in the denominator as only one digit 3 is repeating. So from this we got 1 by 3. The third method is by equating denominators of given fraction. Take LCM of the denominators of all the fractions so that the denominators of all the fractions are same. Now, the fraction having the largest numerator is the largest fraction. Let us see an example. Arrange the following fractions in decreasing order. The fractions are 5 by 2, 7 by 9 and 11 by 7. Let us see the solution. First, let us equate the denominators of the given fractions. To equate them, first let us find the LCM of 2, 7 and 9. So 2 into 7 into 9 is 126. So the LCM is 126. Now, let us make the denominators of 5 by 2, 7 by 9 and 11 by 7 as 126. To make the denominator 2 as 126, we need to multiply it with 63. To nullify the effect of multiplication in the denominator, we need to multiply it in the numerator as well. So, 5 into 63 by 2 into 63. That will be 315 by 126. In the same way, to equate the denominator of 7 by 9, that is 9, with 126, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 14. So 7 by 9 will be 7 into 14 divided by 9 into 14, and that is 98 by 126. To equate the denominator of 11 by 7, that is 7, with 126, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator with 18. So 11 by 7 will be 11 into 18 by 7 into 18, that is 198 by 126. So here, the denominators of all the three fractions are equal. So the fraction having the largest numerator will be the largest. So the decreasing order will be 315 by 126, 198 by 126 and 98 by 126. That is, the order is 5 by 2, 11 by 7 and 7 by 9. Now, let us learn some formulae. Formula 1. To represent any fraction in simplified form, divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF. Let us see an example. Write 64 by 120 in simplified form. Let us see the solution. 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So, HCF of 64 and 120 is 8. So 64 by 120 can be simplified as 64 by 8 divided by 120 by 8, that is 8 by 15. Formula 2. If in the given fractions, the difference between numerator and the denominator are the same, then the fraction having large numerator is the largest and the fraction having the smaller numerator is the smallest. Let us see an example. Arrange the given fraction in an increasing order. The fraction is 4 by 7, 7 by 10, 11 by 14. Let us see the solution. Since in all the fractions, the difference between numerator and denominator are the same, increasing order is 4 by 7, 7 by 10 and 11 by 14. Example 3. If the fractions 19 by 21, 21 by 25, 25 by 29, 29 by 31 and 31 by 37 are arranged in ascending order of their values, then which will be the second? Let us see the solution. First, let us convert these fractions into decimals. So, 19 by 21 will be 0.904, 21 by 25 will be 0.84, 25 by 29 will be 0.86, 29 by 31 will be 0.93 and 31 by 37 will be 0.837. Arranging these in an ascending order, we get 0.837 is less than 0.84 is less than 0.86 is less than 0.904 is less than 0.93. So here, clearly, 21 by 25 will be a second number. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.